and today we're going to be doing the blindfolded snack challenge. But before we start that challenge, we're going to show you what we have in this bag.
So yesterday, guys, our mom bought us something from the mall. Oh, so here's the flag.
So we got straighteners. And so yeah, we got like 2 big ones, and one looks like a brush, and then this one's just a normal one.
So
And then we got 2 of the other straighteners, which are smaller ones.
Okay, so I'm gonna open. Can I open this one?
This one, it looks like pretty much there's no more. It's just a normal straightener.
There's the on button, the off button, and power.
So these ones are really cool, and so now we're going to.
How do I put these in? Okay, so
And now we have these little pink ones.
are these straighteners? They're both the same, so I don't know. I can't read the box.
Okay. These ones look like this, and they're both the same color. So I don't know why we have the both same color ones. And
Ooh, what's this?
they also come with these little.
Oh, these.
Oh, I guess I'm guessing these are bags. So you put them in after. So and then
Oh,
the instructions are. I don't know what instructions are here. So let's put these away and get on with the challenge.
I don't care. Stupid instructions.
So we have this big one, and it says, I don't know what this says, but we got it from the mall, and it's actually really cool and actually really pretty. So yeah, I like this one.
I like this one because it's a brush and it's like a straightener too, but it's a brush straightener. And these ones also are brush straighteners, but it's smaller. This one's better.
Yeah. And so we're gonna be putting these away, and we're gonna start the challenge in a few minutes. So yeah, let's get on the challenge.
It's hard putting. I'll put them away later.
Okay, so right now we're going to be starting the food challenge, and I'm going to go first, and Mae's going to be giving me something, and I have to guess what it is.
And it's in my secret bag.
So we basically don't know what's in each other's bags, but I'm going to be going first, and she's going to be giving me something, and I have to guess what it is. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, close your nose. Guys, so I'm gonna take out my first item out of this bag. She won't guess what this is, right?
Well, I know it's in a bag. So
Don't look.
I'm not looking. I can't even see anything. It hurts.
Ate it before? I don't know.
What are you doing, man?
Say ah.
I don't feel safe. Okay.
Oh, wait, shush. Oh, the other way.
Okay.
Stop acting like a baby.
Oh. What is this?
What it is, and Habiba doesn't know what it is. As so far she said it's sour. There's more details.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Is it like those
You have 2 guesses.
sour rainbow strips?
Candies. How do you know?
It tasted like it. Oh, my final secret. Oh yeah, I knew it. You're horrible. Okay.
Okay. I feel like I have something good to get back out. I feel like I'm gonna have something good.
Oh. Okay. So A thinks this is good. This is going right in her mouth, down her throat. Open wide. Open wide. You're gonna have to like No.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait. 1, 2.
Shush, little baby. Okay, go.
Oh, it was gross. Ew, get out of my eyes.
No, no, no.
Peas, baby. It's peas. Is it green?
It's green peas. Yes, it's green peas.
Ew.
Tastes like, what's it called? Inspired bananas mixed with potatoes. That's what it tastes like. Okay. Now it's my turn to get blindfolded.
Yeah, it is so ew.
Okay. My turn to get blindfolded, and now you have to give me something.
Okay, I think I did a really good.
So A ate that, and she guessed it. How? Okay, now she's gonna give me something, and I have to blindfold myself, and so let's go.
Very easy, something yummy. And then yucky. I got a great one. Put your blindfold on very, very well, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And now, you're gonna love this.
I don't feel safe.
Just bite it, okay?
Bite it?
Yeah, that's something that you bite, not something that you swallow. Bite!
Is that papaya?
Cool. Is it something related to it? Okay, should I give you a hint?
Is it melon?
No. C. Starts with a C.
Cornucopia?
No.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, is that your final guess? Cornucopia?
Yeah.
Open your blindfold. Cantaloupe.
Ah.
Baseball kind, you know.
Okay, it's in a bag. I'm open my eyes. I can't. It's too tight.
Okay, open wide and bite.
Bite? Okay, okay, it's normal. It's normal. Just open the bite.
I think she's gonna guess it.
It smells like.
Hey! I didn't say chomp, I said bite.
Oh, I love peanut butter cups.
What kind of peanut butter cup?
Pieces.
Pieces. Okay, is that your final guess?
That was his. Got it?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, my turn.
Oh, look at a big fat oven. Hurry up, I'm ready. And this time you have to bite. It's really, really good. And you should always eat it every time. Bite.
Your tone of voice is actually really scary right now. Hey, but go on.
Bite. Bite. Ah.
What is it?
Bite it really good.
What is it?
Bite it really good.
It looks like a freaking, what is this? I don't even think this is,
It's a nice veggie.
what is this?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Metal?
No.
What is this?
Eat it! It's disgusting.
I can't, it's not coming.
Bite your other teeth. You can bite there. See, both.
A little bit. It's a carrot. I got the smell in my mouth. Is it?
Oh, wait. Carrot. This is yours now. If you bit it. Or good.
white?
Is it candy?
No.
Onion?
No.
Ew, what was that?
Eat it.
Is it a watermelon? A carrot?
No.
Is it a broccoli?
Eat it and you will know.
A papaya!
That's nothing like a papaya. Open your blindfold. It's a peach. You were like, oh, I love peaches. Where's the love for peaches now?
It's disgusting.
Okay, give me the blindfold. It's my turn.
Oh. Ingredient I'm gonna give her. Okay. It's something that'll go down your throat. It's like really watery. So
Ah! I had it.
wait more.
Baby food.
What kind?
Sweet potato?
Close.
Sweet peas?
No.
I don't know what that is. Carrots?
Not close.
I don't know. Oh, squash?
I thought this mango, but mango.
So it's gonna be eating this yummy treat. Hope she likes it. Yeah.
Oh, it's hard. Is it a gumbo?
Gumball? No. So guess what it is. And fast.
Okay.
Is it a tree?
It's not a tree. What kind?
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a gummy cake.
Crunchy and chewy.
Okay, now I have a few more things that I didn't give her yet, but I'm gonna give her these ones. They're nice and say
Gummy lifesavers?
no.
Chewy lifesavers?
No.
They're lifesavers, right?
Mm-mm.
No. I know what they are.
The Coca-Cola tastes good.
They're good. So, I got this from A. She's probably gonna guess it because she makes them before. And so, yeah. What?
Ugh. It's an animal cracker.
I told you. Yes, it is.
It tastes disgusting.
So, now it's my turn. So,
Knows what these are. So, let's feed her. Say That's how good you could do it.
cheese balls. They are cheese balls, and you know I don't like cheese balls. It's something good, and yeah, she ate these before, so yeah, I'm gonna get some. Open up. Open up.
Okay. It's the peppermint candy that's round.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it's breath mint. Look at how this. I'll tell you after the video.
Wow.
guava.
Mm.
The guava.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
Was it good?
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash the like button
And
don't
don't
forget
forget to subscribe.
for more videos. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you guys cannot miss any of our new updates on our videos. So don't forget to like and share, and then don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.